If you're a content creator, a gamer, or do you like to have a good screen, this monitor is for you. I do a lot of emailing, proposals, photo editing, video editing, and of course gaming. So I've always looking for a monitor that could meet my needs. It's important to have a well-calibrated screen, good tones, space for the workflow, and a great refreshing rate for gaming. So if you're looking for a monitor that can offer a solution for all this, stay here in this video.
Hello everybody, this is Leo here. Welcome to TecnologiaParaMi. This is a channel where we're going to talk about technology in English and in Spanish. Sorry, I hate when this happened to me. Well, today I will show you and will introduce you the Xiaomi Mi 2K gaming monitor. Please give it to me. I have to show you this big guy. We will be making some video editing, picture editing, using kind of softwares, and of course we will be playing some games so we can check how the high refresh rate is, how the color behave, and that kind of stuff. So stay in this channel. Before we can start, remember to subscribe, share, comment, and of course follow me on Instagram and on TikTok. Yeah, let's begin.
We will start from the scratch. I had to wait for this monitor a long ago and I'm really happy to share with you my opinion. I've been working with a different brand monitor for so long time and I'm so excited to finally jump to the 165Hz that we have here. As you can see in the box, it's very easy to handle and unpack. Just be sure to use a free space as your desktop or a big surface to work on unboxing it.
So guys, I have everything I could from the box, and there is this amazing column, I think is the name, and the plate or the platform. I think Xiaomi has made a great job here with the design. It's very minimalist, modern, and we have to follow the instructions because we don't want to fail, right? Inside of the box we have the instructions, cables. I've been looking for a while to the screen, and sorry guys, I will look right now to the lens of the camera. So right now we have a Mi monitor color calibration factory report, and we can learn the way that the colors will be shown to us. Okay guys, to install this great monitor is very easy. All we have to do is press this button and push or move forward, and then let's free the button. One of the things that I love the most about this great kind of cover is that it's magnetic. It's great. It's so fantastic because we have only to put the cables and then we have to... So guys, I just turned it off the computer because the instructions recommend that, and I just read that if you use the display port you will have a refreshing rate of 165 Hz, but if you use the HDMI 2.0 cable you only will have 144 Hz. That, if you really think about it, it's quite a lot, so for me at least, so just have that in mind.
Continuing with the installation process, you can see how modern the structure is. I'm showing you here that we have two ports for HDMI 2.0, one display picture port and one directly to the USB port. Once you're done, you can cover the cables and turn on the computer and the screen. In the back, you'll find two USB 3.0 ports and a 3.5 jack for your earphones. You can use the USB ports to charge your smartphones, earphones, or any wearable you may have. I think this is a great solution for many problems when we don't have where to charge our things. The structure is so agile, easy to move, and at the time it feels so strong. The base and the column are made of metal, so you can trust them to support the weight of the screen. Thanks to the design job, this monitor supports lifting, tilting, and rotating, always giving you great vision angles, so that's why I think this monitor is such great for gamers or content creators, because it gives you versatility and allows you any move. Still talking about the design, the edges are very well done with very thin frames. It seems so futuristic as other Xiaomi's products. You can see how much the screen covered the structure, and you'll find some buttons in the down right corner where you can set the language, the image profile, HDR, adaptive sync if you want, and of course the smart models, where you can choose between standard, eco, game, Low blue light or sRGB, which I have to say is my favorite one because the screen not only gives us a great 2K resolution, but also offers an exceptional calibrated IPS panel with realistic colors. The IPS panel has great quality with 100% sRGB color space, which means that if you are a photographer, videographer, or you work with graphics, this monitor will help you a lot, because the colors are very close to reality with more than 16 million colors. Also, I work a lot at night, so one of the things that I really appreciate is the blue light filter, which you can activate at any time and will allow you to work comfortably, because it will reduce the eye strain. Another strong point of this monitor is the 27 inches that will give you a lot of space to order all your windows or programs that you may have open. You can use Premiere, Spotify and the File Explorer at the time and you'll be okay. But now let's talk about one of the strong capabilities of this monitor. When the day is over and the work is done, I love playing some video games, and trust me, the 165Hz ultra high refreshing rate is so amazing and fantastic. I used it to play on 60Hz and now I really feel the difference. Not only for playing video games of course, but for daily tasks even during work. I played my favorite game, which is Call of Duty, and is my very first time playing with this high refreshing rate, and happily the game supports it. The contrast, the colors, the tones, the smoothness will elevate your gaming experience. If you are a content creator or a gamer, you'll have natural and realistic colors, and you always can adjust the brightness to 400 nits maximum, which I think it's enough for interior use. And I know I mentioned it before, but remember you can use the HDR in order to improve the shadow and highlights details while gaming. Another nice feature, it has 1 millisecond IMBC and 4 millisecond J2J response time. Also, the preloaded profiles will help you to choose the right one for the task that you are doing. Just remember to switch between them while you're doing a task or another.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please, if you like it, don't hesitate and subscribe to the channel. You know you help me a lot. I have some days playing with it. I have playing some video games, using it my favorite software to my job as photographer, and I really love it. I think Xiaomi has done a great job, not only in design, exterior design, but in performance and color calibration. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, follow me on Instagram, TikTok. If you have any comment, any doubt, or any suggestion, please leave it in the comment section. I will see you next time. Bye bye.